Welcome to Be Free Driving School. My name is Wendy, and on this video, I'll be sharing 3 tips to help you pass the UK driving test. Tip 1 is to practice, and practice some more. When trying to reach any goal, we need to put in the effort and hard work that's required. One of the main reasons people fail their driving test is during the reverse manoeuvres. Don't rush to book your test and make sure you're confident with all the reverse manoeuvres. Make sure you know how to operate all the car controls and take some lessons with a professional driving instructor. Tip 2. Don't try to learn test routes. One of the top reasons people fail their test is lack of observations at junctions and not responding to road signs or markings. Studies show that drivers are more likely to crash on roads that they're familiar with because they're more likely to drive on autopilot. So make sure you get plenty of experience driving on roads that you don't know to help you develop your planning and observation skills. Tip 3 is an obvious tip, and it's easier said than done. Relax. Do you know what happens to your brain when you're highly stressed? Well, you go into what we call fight or flight mode, which is a natural survival mechanism where the thinking part of your brain shuts down and survival mode kicks in. Whilst this is helpful when you're running away from a tiger, this is not so helpful on your driving test. So don't put too much pressure on yourself. Hey, if you fail your test, it won't be the end of the world. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to our channel, click the notification bell so that you don't miss future videos. Bye bye.